Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do reverse videos on Snapchat. Really simple and easy to do. All you have to do is head over to Snapchat, go to record a video. Once you're on a video, you just want to go ahead and record a short clip or any clip you're looking to reverse. And once you're done doing that there, all you want to do is you want to swipe till you see the filters. So you just want to swipe from the left to the right, and you'll see a couple filters go by, and then you will shortly see the reverse filter, just like this. And as you guys see here, it is the 3 arrows to the left. That is the reverse filter. So just like this. Once you do this, you'll be able to watch the video over again and it'll be reversed. And then obviously if you wanted to save it, the option is on the bottom, and to send to any of your friends, obviously, just to go ahead to send it, you can go ahead and do this. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to make reverse videos on Snapchat. If this video did help you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.